In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block Patreon members. If you're a creator managing a Patreon page, there may be times when you need to restrict a specific member's access. Patreon makes this process fairly straightforward, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly where to go and what to click so you can handle it quickly and confidently. To begin, head over to your Patreon Creator Studio. Once you're inside your creator dashboard, look for the audience section and click on it. This area is where Patreon organizes information about the people who are following or supporting your page, so it's the right place to manage individual members. After you open the audience section, the next step is to find the specific member you want to block. You can do this by using the search function and entering the member's name or their email address. Searching is usually the fastest way to locate the right account, especially if you have a larger audience or many active supporters. Once the correct member appears in the results, click to expand their details. This will open up more information related to that person's account, giving you access to the actions you can take. With the member's details expanded, look for the More option. Click on that to open the additional account management choices. In that menu, you'll see the option to block user. Go ahead and click it. At this point, Patreon will apply the block to that user, which helps prevent further interaction through your creator account. Before selecting this option, it's always a good idea to make sure you've chosen the correct member profile, since blocking is meant for situations where you want to limit someone's access or contact. And that's all there is to it. The process is simple. Go to Creator Studio, open Audience, search for the member, expand their details, click More, and then choose Block User. If you're following along while managing your own Patreon page, take your time with the search step so you don't act on the wrong account. A careful review can help you avoid mistakes, especially when members may have similar names. Now you know how to block Patreon members using the Creator Studio tools. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough made the process clear and easy to follow.